Hi, this is Max, and I will show you how to create a paper mache. Here are the materials: a small ball, glue, water, flour, newspapers cut into strips, acrylic paint, and brush. Make a paste by combining the flour and water. Take a newspaper strip, soak into the paste, and place on the surface of the ball. We use a ball to follow its shape. Do this step until we have completely covered the ball with the newspaper strips. Once done, let the ball dry for a couple of hours. Now the paper mache is dry, we can paint on it using the acrylic paint and brush. I am going to paint the symbol of Taoism on my paper mache. And here's the finished product. Thank you for watching.